Up that too, so don't worry, man. I should be able to.
Epic hill take 2.
Gotta line up for this one.
We are lost in some sort of ridiculousness. Right.
Epic hill.
Let him have a peek. Yeah, that's a hill.
Woo!
It's a little bit steeper than thought.
Fuck it, I'll stop it right here.
Sweet.
Phil, let's see your Integra do that. Manhole cover.
Fuck it.
0, 7, 1.
Oh, that's total submersion right there. Yeah, how about you take that path? It's another crater in the earth. Oh yeah! You know what that's for? That's when you get your truck stuck.
There's no anchor points. No anchor points. What the fuck is this?
Oh, that's the paved path.